Can you really break into cybersecurity with no experience? In this video, I'm going to show you what no experience actually means and how people get past it. Here's something most people don't realize. Most entry-level cybersecurity jobs still expect something, not necessarily experience in cybersecurity, but they expect evidence of how you think and how you work. That's the gap. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non-technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. This is where most people get stuck. They think that no experience means no opportunity. That's not true. So because they think that, they hesitate, they overthink, they wait until they feel ready. And we all know there's never a perfect time to do anything. You're never going to feel ready. Here's the reality. Everyone has to start somewhere. The difference is how they position that starting point. Let me explain this in a more practical way. Think about switching industries like switching languages. You already know how to communicate. So it's not like you don't know how to communicate, you just don't know that language. Now you need to express it differently. So the same ideas, just in a different language. Cybersecurity works like that. You already have the experience. You already have some of the expertise that's needed in the field. It's just that it doesn't sound like cybersecurity just yet. If you've worked in admin or you've worked in customer support or operations or coordination or communication, you already know how to follow processes. You know how to handle information. You know how to communicate clearly. You know how to spot when things feel off. Those are all relevant in cybersecurity. But if you don't connect them, if you don't connect your experience, it really feels and looks like you're starting from zero, but you're not. It's not a lack of experience. It's a lack of translation. Let me make this practical. If you want to move forward, even without direct experience, focus on three things. First thing is you have to reframe what you've been doing. Don't just list tasks on your resume. Show how your work connects to things like accuracy, things like processes, things like risk awareness, things like responsibility, things like protecting information. So that's the first thing. The second thing is to create proof of how you think. You don't need a full portfolio. Just start small, have something. Break down a simple scenario. Explain how you would handle it. Show how your reasoning works. That alone will separate you from other people that they talk to or interview or other resumes. Third, target the right roles. This is where most people go wrong. They apply to roles that expect technical depth instead of to roles that are designed for transferable skills. And those are there. So the goal is not to get any cybersecurity job, it's to get the right entry point. Think about it like stepping onto a moving walkway. If you step on at the right place, you move forward naturally. But if you jump on in the middle, it feels hard, it feels forced, and you're likely to fall. So if you've been thinking, I don't have experience, I don't know where to start, you're not behind and you're not different from what a lot of people are thinking. You just haven't connected the dots yet, the experience that you already have and how that works in cybersecurity. If you're trying to figure out which roles actually make sense for your background, there's a very simple way to do that, to map out your experience and expertise versus a cybersecurity role. I'll put the link for that below. If you are not already following me, follow me for more information and content on how to get into cybersecurity without needing a technical background. See you in the next video.